Okay, all the applications how you will write in Ruby is same as TK application also. So if you see a simple TK application, it is like this. So this is what a simple TK application. You cannot run this one in online editor. Why? Because sometimes it is asking for the this one TK. Okay, so try to install TK Ruby TK in your systems. So everything is same like your Ruby program how you have written. TK root is the main class from where you are going to create a title. What is the title of the wizard? Means hello world is going to show here. Okay, hello world, it is going to show here. Hello world title. Okay, this is what the title. And text, what is the text you are going to display inside this one, inside this. For example, consider these two widgets are not there, then inside the first root widget is having a message called as hello world. Okay, so that is what the text you are displaying. Where you are going to display it is means you are having a padding bits. Pack means C. The pack means where the messages inside the widget going to display, or what you are going to pop up in the window. For example, if you want to pop up a button or a text box, then you should include them in a pack. Okay, so what is this pack is having is the x and y padding bits. X axis and y axis both should be there in a padding bit. And you can also apply styles, that is left side you want to do alignment also you can do here. And this is what the end of your Ruby TK. That is also end of TK dot main loop. Whatever the loop you are using, that is the end of this one. Okay, this is a simple TK application. Simple Ruby TK application. Okay, I will tell from the starting onwards. I'll tell from the starting onwards. Look here, why we are discussing, what is the topic we are discussing today is, our topic today is Ruby TK. Okay, the standard graphical user interface, GUI, is included in Ruby TK. Okay, why we are calling it as standard GUI application means this GUI application TK runs on Windows. It is user interface. Okay, it can be run on Windows, Mac operating system, and also Linux. Okay, this is what you can say. Look and feel on each operating system. Uh, in this Ruby TK application, one thing, the main one, what you have to study is the basic component is a of a TK based application is called a widget. Okay, a component is also sometimes called a window. We can also call a widget as a window indirectly, or professionally we can also call it as window. So in TK, window or widget are often used interchangeably. So window and widget are often interchangeably. We will follow them. And coming to the next point, TK applications follow a widget. All of us know about it now. So how a widget can work is widget can have an hierarchy where any number of widgets may be placed within one widget. Okay, any number of widgets may be placed within another widget, and those widgets are there in another widget. So by this what we can tell is this is nothing but an infinitum. A widgets can have infinitum widgets. Okay. The main widget in TK program is called as root widget. The main widget in a TK program is called as root widget. And you can create a new instant for the root class. You can create an instant. What is an instance? Instance is nothing but an object. You are going to create an object for which one? For the root widget. Okay. So most TK applications follow the cycle. What is the cycle they are following is creating the widget, place the interface, and finally bind the events. What you are doing in a widget? You are creating a widget, creating a widget and placing some of the interfaces. Okay, interface is nothing but which is mediator between you and the system, that is GUI CSS applications, and also events associated with each event, with each widget, that is nothing but event trigger. When event occurs, that is nothing but when event is triggered, what will happen? Some action will be performed. Yes or no? So some actions will be performed. If you click a button, button action is performed. As you studied in Java programming or any other object oriented programming, when you click something, then an operation will be occurred, event will be occurred. So those are all events can be performed in widget. And the next point what you have to remember is there are three geometric managers. There are three geometric managers. What do you mean by geometry? Geometry is nothing but mathematical calculations or the place where you want the widget should be placed on the window. So there are three geometrical managers. What are those? The first one is place, second one is grid, and the third one is pack. Okay, so this place, grid, and pack are responsible for controlling the size and location of each widget. Okay, place is used to tell the user where, or tell the system where it should be displayed. Grid is used to tell the user how it is going to display, whether it may be in square or rectangle shapes. Okay, pack is nothing but what are all the events or what are all the buttons or labels you are going to pack them into a widget, place them in a widget. So that is what the TK applications about widgets. And installation. Coming to the installation, Ruby TK has to be installed separately for Windows. For Windows, it should be installed separately. For that purpose, you need to register with some of the websites. Okay, you can register with the websites using your email address, Gmail address, or any other addresses. And for Mac and Linux users, it may not be required. It is already installed. But in some Mac systems, if it is not there, then you have to use a TCL Develop Exchange. Okay, that is what about installation. And if you want to install, you can install in your systems. Already, if you have Ruby, many of your systems are having Ruby, so TK application also you can run. Now, simple TK application, as we have discussed in whiteboard, the simple TK application, it is having the TK root. TK root is nothing but it is the instance of the root widget. Okay, remember, it is the instance of root widget. Root widget is nothing but the first one where you are creating the title of that widget, that is hello world. And TK label, what you are putting now, some of the components are there, I will show in the next class. TK label is also there, which is nothing but new root. For that root you are going to uh, take give the look. For that root instance you are going to give the look. What is that look? Means if you want label you can place a label. If you want some text you can place the text. If you want to place a button for submit or for any other clearing purpose, you can also place that one. So all those are inside a application. Inside this def and end block only. So that is what the simple application we have discussed. Um, so as I shown in the white box, how your Hello World wizard is open. Okay. Is there any doubts or it is clear? Okay, the installation process I will explain.